Respected sir, myself Tiansha, holding pin number 219558031. I'm studying in stream of mechanical engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today my topic name is macron and micron viewpoints. Objectives: what is microscopic? Microscopic. Difference between macroscopic and microscopic viewpoints. Applications of viewpoint in thermodynamic application. Examples for microscopic and macroscopic viewpoints. So what is macroscopic and microscopic viewpoints? Macroscopic viewpoint. Macroscopic thermodynamics is also considered with effects of an action of many molecules, and these effects can be perceived by human sense. So microscopic viewpoint is that it deals with thermodynamics, is only considered with effects of actions of many molecules. It is the action of many molecules, and these effects uh, can be affected by human senses. So it can sense by human. Macroscopic viewpoint. Whereas in microscopic viewpoint, microscopic thermodynamics is considered with effects of an action of many molecules. It is also action of many molecules, and these effects cannot perceived by human sense. So it is not sensible by human. So in macroscopic viewpoint we can sense by human, whereas in microscopic viewpoint it is not sensed by human or perceived by human sense. So the difference between macroscopic and microscopic viewpoint. So the first difference of microscopic properties of the matters are in bulk matter. So this matter is in bulk matter, whereas in microscopic PowerPoint properties of the matter are constants of the bulk matter. So in macroscopic there is a bulk of matter, whereas in microscopic there is a constants of bulk matter. So the second point, the difference between macroscopic and microscopic viewpoints, which can be sensed by human sense and can be directly measured. So we can sense, the human can sense and directly measured, which can be sensed by human and can be directly measured. So we can sense easily and we can measure directly. Whereas in microscopic viewpoint, matter composed of a myriads of molecules. So the matter is composed by myriads of molecules. And the third point, visible with the naked eye, we can see with our naked eye in microscopic viewpoint, where in microscopic viewpoint we cannot see with our naked eye. For that we can use some microscopes to visible the matters or molecules. Visible, so in this microscopic we can see with our naked eye. In microscopic we cannot see with our naked eye. For the fourth point, in a cycle that is visible with the naked eye, which includes the centi, kilo, mega, etc. Okay, it includes in scale that is visible with naked eye. So we can see in scale with our naked eye, which includes, we can say with in scale we can see with our naked eye which includes centi, kilo, mega, and etc. In a microscopic in scale that invisible with naked eye with includes micro, mini, nano. Whereas in macroscopic centi, kilo, mega, and whereas microscopic includes micro, mini, and nano. The fifth point, coming to fifth point, macroscopic viewpoint consists of volume, pressure, temperature, density. Whereas in microscopic, the intermolecular force, chemical bonding and atomic etc. So in macroscopic we consist of volume, pressure, temperature, density, where microscopic it consists of intermolecular force, chemical bonding and atomic etc. So we have a diagram here, microscopic world, microscopic world. So we have studied already. It consists of volume, pressure, temperature and density in macron, whereas in micron it consists of chemical bonding and atomic etc. It deals with the temperature of volume and density, pressure, whereas it deals with intermolecular force, chemical bonding and atomic etc. So these are the difference of microscopic and microscopic viewpoints, and here is a diagram. Microscopic world, the reaction is the bonding is between position, velocity and mass. Microscopic world, it indicates pressure, volume, temperature and moles. In sixth point, the difference between macroscopic and microscopic viewpoint. The sixth point is microscopic view is only considered with the effect of action of many molecules which are human sensible. So microscopic is sensible by human. Um, it is the effects of many molecules. Micron viewpoint, if it is a gas, each molecule at a given instant has a certain position, viscosity and energy. So it is sensible by human. And wherein sixth, it is if it is a gas, micron is on a gas, each molecule at a given instant has a certain position of viscosity and energy. It consists of certain position, viscosity and energy. In seventh point, it is the average rate of change of moment due to molecular collisions made on unit area. So it is average rate of change of moment due to the average change of rate moment due to molecular collision made on unit area. So molecular collisions made on unit area. The behavior is described by the summing up the behavior of each molecule. The behavior is described by the summing up by the behavior of each molecule. So it is classical view. In eighth point it is classical view, and in a micron it is a statical view. So these are the difference. The application viewpoint in thermodynamics application. In thermodynamics application, the viewpoint. The microscopic behavior is also explained through the behavior of each molecule. By each molecule we can explain its behavior. In microscopic, in thermodynamics applications are focused on the microscopic viewpoint is classical view. So it is the view of microscopic is classical view. So the behavior is expressed by each molecule. Thank you.